Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Interesting Collections. Thank you all for supporting me. Today also I have these sarees on offer price. These are Banaras sarees, semi Georgette Banaras sarees. I am giving this just at the rate of 1700. So let me show you the colors here. First one is nice bright orange. So this is the body portion. This is the blouse piece. Second one is this rust brown, as you see here. This is the blouse portion running, and this is the pallu portion. So if you like the saree, take a screenshot and send it to me in WhatsApp. The price of the saree is only 1700. This is a nice bright brinjal violet color. So this is the body portion. This is the pallu portion, and this is the blouse piece. So take a screenshot if you like this color. Next is nice pink color. So this is the pink color. This is the python style border, and this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. This is the pallu portion. So take a screenshot if you like this color. Next one is nice bright parrot green color. Very nice color. So this is the style. This is the pallu portion. This is the blouse piece with nice small buttas. Take a screenshot if you like this color. Next one is this nice mustard brown color, orangish it is actually. Very nice color. This is also bright, so you can see the border here. This is the pallu portion. This is the pallu portion. Same running blouse piece. So this is the blouse piece. If you like this color, please take a screenshot. Next one is again a lavender, nice bright violet color. So this is the pallu portion, and this is the blouse portion. Please take a screenshot and send it to me in WhatsApp if you like this saree. The last one is this bright nice rama green color, very beautiful. So this is the pallu portion, and this is the blouse portion. If you like this saree, please take a screenshot and send it to me in WhatsApp. The price of the saree is only 1700, including shipping. Number is 790-440-2529. Thank you for watching.